Hafa day! If you are tuning in for the first time, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We have a 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in for a maintenance detail. This particular vehicle was ceramic coated by us about 6 months ago. We applied System X Pro, which is a 6-year ceramic coating. We also applied a window coating to all the exterior windows. This client has opted in for our quarterly maintenance program where we maintain it on a 3-month basis. He understands that in order to keep his vehicle in the best condition possible, regular maintenance must be performed. Not only will we maintain this vehicle, but he will also receive System X Renew, which is an additional sacrificial layer on top of the existing ceramic coating, which will add up to 9 months of protection. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are interested in some detailing products, don't forget to check the description below. You will find a whole list of different detailing tools and products that we use. If you are on Guam and you're interested in a ceramic coating or a detailing service, click the link to our website, give me a call, or send me an email. Continue watching and stay tuned for our next upcoming videos.